Welcome back to the channel. In this video, in the building series for the Carbon Cub, we're going to work on the landing gear. Luckily, it's not that much work, so let's get cracking. So that went well, sort of. I forgot two things. First of all, I forgot the strut bracket at the back. It needs to be placed in between the fuselage and the bracket for the landing gear mount. I forgot that for whatever reason. I didn't read properly, as usual. So that's one thing. Second thing is that the axle for the wheel doesn't go through the wheel hub, but it's sandwiched in between the two halves of the wheel hub, so that the wheel collar is right in the center of it. It still works. It just looks a little different, but it's not according to a plan. So we'll do it next time and we'll do better. In the next video, we're going to work on the struts. So see you soon.